We have the graph of a function, and it says, what is the value of a in this function? Well, now that we're experts in quadratics, we can remember that there's a couple of ways we can find the value of this function. The first one is, remember the vertex form of a function? The vertex form of a function says that f of x is equal to a times the quantity x minus h squared plus k. Well, I know that because this graph, my graph opens down, that a is negative. So I know that a is a negative number, okay? But I also know that the vertex occurs at 0, 9, right? So that's my vertex. In other words, my formula f of x is equal to a times x minus, and remember this is the vertex form is h comma k. So minus 0 squared plus k, which is 9. All right. So now if I simplify that, I got f of x is equal to x minus 0 is just x squared. So I've got a x squared plus 9. Now to find the rest of this, I just need another point on the graph. So this point right here will work. It looks like it crosses through the point 4, 0. Well, 4, 0 is x, y, or you could think of it as x, f of x. In other words, I could say 0 is equal to a times x, which is 4, plus 9. Okay. Now, what I'm doing is I'm plugging in a 4 for x, and I'm plugging in a 0 for f of x. And then if you notice, I got nothing but numbers and the letter a. So I'm solving for a. So then, wait, that's not 4, that's 3. Come on, guys, you got to pay attention. This is 3, and this is 3. I don't know how I miscounted that. So then when I do my math, I get 0 is equal to 3 squared, which is 9 times a plus 9. Subtract 9 from both sides. And I get negative 9 is equal to 9a. Divide both sides by 9. And I get negative 1 is equal to a. And that is how you do algebra to find the a value.